Coach, we saw a team that was clearly struggling, maybe tired, physically tired. And overall, what do you think was the game like? What is your opinion on the match?
Look, we've got no excuses. Yeah, sure, the boys are tired, but so was everyone else in the comp. So yeah, no excuses for our performance today. I think it was frustrating. We just weren't accurate enough. We had plenty of opportunities, but yeah, too many errors, too many missed lineouts. You know, we just lost a lot of possession that way, and it relieved the pressure on them when we had good territory, and we just couldn't build into that game and build pressure when we needed to, and more importantly, take the opportunities when we had them. So yeah, frustrating from that perspective.
And why do you think it happened? I mean, you clearly worked on the week on this point precisely.
Yeah, look, you know, there's probably little reasons, but sometimes you just have a bad day at the office. You know, sometimes it just doesn't click, and we've been pretty consistent, pretty good in that regard this year. But yeah, I think the last couple of games it's been frustrating. So we're going through a bit of a tough patch in our season, which you know all seasons do. But we'll certainly work hard and climb our way out of it.
Good news is Verona Rugby is still on top of the pool, and we have a week ahead to just relax a little bit, maybe to rest, and hopefully to have some players back from, of course, the under 20, but also from the infirmary, maybe.
Yeah, so it's coming at a good time. I think it gives us a chance to reset, a little refresh from physically and mentally. So from that regard, yeah, really important. Yeah, potentially we'll have some boys back over the next couple of weeks from injury, which is important. And after the Six Nations campaign with the Italian under-20s, we'll certainly have more options and be able to manage minutes far better, especially for the last 6 games. So yeah, no, we've got a good run home, and we're really excited about the next sort of 6 weeks.